Tráele una salchicha, ¿sí? Tráele.
Means bring him, her, it.
It's a command form of the verb.
Tráele.
To bring. Conjugated for the informal.
2.
You, de.
Le.
Is a pronoun indicating the indirect object, to whom something is brought. Pronoun said.
Tráele.
With a slight rolling.
R.
In.
Tráele.
De.
E.
In.
Ele is a weak, almost silent vowel. It's commonly used to instruct someone to bring something to a third party.
Una.
Means or one, functioning as an indefinite article before a feminine noun. Pronounced.
Ona.
It's a very common word used to indicate a singular, unspecified item.
Salchicha.
Means sausage. Pronounced.
Sal-chee-cha.
With a soft
Che.
sound, similar to the ch in cheese. It refers to a specific type of food.
¿Sí?
Means, okay, right, or yes. It's a tag question used to seek confirmation or agreement. Pronounced.
Sí.
With a rising intonation at the end. This confirms or verifies whether the request is understood or agreed upon. Putting it together.
Tráele una salchicha, ¿sí? Comillas.
Means, bring him, her, it a sausage. Okay. Or, bring him, her, it a sausage. Alright. Quote. It's an informal command with a request for confirmation.